Hey Robert, so looking at you guys' website, it looks pretty nice. I noticed you had a blog, so that's really going to help you getting keywords on Google. Google loves content. One thing with your homepage, you only have 295 words on there, so I would add more words to your homepage. But I mean, you have the blog there, so that's Google loves content. Content's king when it comes to Google. It gives you more opportunities to have keywords on your website, as well as it just helps you ranking. The more stuff you have, Google's going to see that, and it just likes it. It definitely boosts your ranking as well as gives you a whole bunch more keywords that you can have. But I would add more content to your homepage, as well as you could add to back pages that you want to rank. The next thing is images. A lot of people don't do this right. We'll see if you guys do. So you see this, how it's just saved as a whole bunch of, just random stuff. You'd want this to be saved as a keyword. So, you could do commercial roofing Lafayette or roof repair Lafayette or whatever keyword you want to rank for. It's a missed opportunity if you don't do it. But yeah, a lot of people don't do it. But it can help you. I can give you another keyword on your website for Google to find. So I just typed in roof contractor Lafayette. First is going to be all these ads. Then you got the GMB. Then you got the organic ranking. So grabbing this top guy, going over to his website. That's what it looks like. He has a little bit more content. He has 539 words, but again, he doesn't have that much. I like to aim for 1,000 for the homepage, at least depending on the competition. So 1,000 would be probably fine for you, but you don't have to stop there. You can keep going and add a whole bunch. I doubt he saved it. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I doubt he saves this right, but I can't click right. But we'll see if he does. Nope, he doesn't. I imagine it's the same for all his keywords. I mean, all his images. Yeah, a lot of people miss it. It's just a missed opportunity. He doesn't do it on any of them. Next thing would be Arifs. Tossing into here. Doesn't look like you have a whole lot going on. You only got you got a 13 UR, which is it's okay. DR of 3.4, so that's not that good. I got 22 backlinks on 9 referring domains, but you do have 359 keywords, and that's because you have a blog and you got a whole bunch of content on your whole page as a whole. So having the blog and having the content, that's affecting your keywords right here. Now we just got to go after backlinks. But let's look at what you have going on with your blog. Your keywords. Looks like gutters, Lafayette, Louisiana. 150 people search that a month. 4KD. You're position number 2, but you get 19 people to your website a month. So I'm guessing you do a lot of gutters. I'm guessing that's kind of the big one for your company, as well as word of mouth and repeat customers. But your website looks like you're getting gutters from there. But yeah, you can come down here and look and see what ones you are ranking for. You got some of your keywords from your blogs are ranking pretty well. But your most, basically all your traffic's coming from the gutters. Otherwise, your Pelican roofing, you get some traffic from there as well. But let's go type in your competition. So you see this guy, he's got a pretty good UR 29 and a DR 16. He got 697 backlinks, 81 referring domains, and he gets 187 keywords. He obviously doesn't have as much keywords as you do, but I don't think he has a blog on his website. He does pay for ads too. We can see what ads he pays for if you want. So this is the ads he's going after. So that would be the big one right there, 250 volume, 8KD. Anyways, that was just sidetracked. Anyways, let's go check out this guy's backlinks. See what he's got. If it loads. Not all backlinks are created the same, so just because the guy has a lot of backlinks doesn't mean that they're all good backlinks. You don't want spammy ones, and you don't want ones that are not relevant. You want ones that are relevant to roofing and contracting. So you would want other blogs, other things that relate to it. You don't want fast food or deep sea diving or something like that. But yeah, you can come down here, go after the ones that you like of his, ones that are relevant, and ones that have a good DR and UR score. And you can just click on them. These are all directories that I'm seeing right now. Yeah, the top ones you have directories, but this is just Yellow Pages, and you just sign up, and then you can get a backlink, add yourself to it. But you can come and look at all these. Let's see if I can find. It's got a lot from Yellow Pages. Yeah, these are all Yellow Pages. But he's got 14 pages of them, so that's. Here's another directory. Yeah, oh wait, this just maybe be posting an ad. He probably paid for this backlink. But you can go on and go after the ones that he has and go for other ones as well and get theirs. And then you can go get other ones on your own. Ways you can get them, different ones. There's blogging, there's blog commenting, there's guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citations, or directories. Basically anything that will link back to you. Again, you want to make sure it's relevant and not spammy. And let's check out this guy's keywords. So roofing, Lafayette, Louisiana, 150 volume, 17 KD. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. The lower it is, the easier it is. So Lafayette Roofing, we'd want to go after that one first. Not only does it have more volume, it also has an 8 KD, so it's twice as easy to rank for. And 8 KD is not too bad. 17's, it's difficult, but it's not terrible. Roofers, Lafayette, Louisiana, 60 and 16. So for 60 volume, it's probably worth it still to go after it at 16, but definitely go after this 250 and 8, and it's 116. Kind of go after the easier ones, especially the ones if they have a lot of volume to them. Roof repair, that one's only 20 volume. General contractor, it's 150 and 0. I know you do roofing. I don't know if you do general contractor work. You could always go after it and just get the roofing work on that. But, you can kind of go through here and grab the ones that you like, the ones that you want to be ranking for, and put them on your website. And then go after backlinks and start ranking for them. Yeah, there's a whole bunch in here. There's 4 pages of things that he's ranking for. And then we can go check out other competition and other spots. There's a lot of ways you can find keywords. And you want to make sure it's location specific. Yeah, there's a lot of them in here. Next thing would be the GMB. I noticed you guys are number 3 here, but I grabbed this top guy. And when it comes to your GMB, get it 100% complete. I think you guys did when I looked. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the better. I noticed you guys had a lot of reviews. You guys' reviews are really good, so that's really good. That's going to help you a lot, and that's boost you. I did notice your location was different. So that that the location obviously plays a role. But you guys' reviews are so good that you're still showing up for Lafayette. But I would, I'd probably, yeah. If you had Lafayette, you guys would definitely be the top one, I believe, with all those reviews. But after making 100% and the photos of the content for your GMB, the next thing would be citations. And that comes before reviews. Citations are just directories out there. You want to make sure your name's the same, your phone number, and your location. And I got this tool I use to find the citations. The top guy has 38. You have 28 citations. I can come in here and see what they are. Citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get Facebook, YouTube. You can get social citations, and you can get like Yellow Pages, BBB, and stuff like that. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for them. There's roofing ones. There's a whole bunch of them. But you can come in here and grab this guy's, the ones that he has, the ones you like. You can go get other people's, and you can Google for them. It's something that's just time consuming. It's pretty easy to do. It's just time consuming, but you can definitely do it. Anyways, I hope that helps. If you want, we can talk more. If not, thanks for watching. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on this video. Hope you have a good night, and thanks for watching.